Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mansa Shehzadi here. Welcome to STEAM Education. Dear teachers and students, we are reading Busy Bee English Prep class, and in this video we are going to learn about family words at and. Look, read and say at and words. At at cat, d hat, r at rat, b at bat. Very good. An, p an pan, an fan, v and van, k and can. Hands on. Look at the pictures and make at and words. K at cat, and fan, k and can, at hat, mouse, b at bat, p at pan, and van. Very good. यहाँ पर हमने बहुत से नए वर्ड सीखे हैं. Look, read and say an and bun words. Un, run, b bun, sun, fun. Very good. Ab, cub, t tub, sub, hub. Hands on. Look at the pictures and make un and bun words. Run. Very good. Tub, cub, sun, bun. And this? Yes, have fun. डियर टीचर्स, आई होप सो आपने इस वीडियो से बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा. मज़ीद सीखने और जानने के लिए हमारे साथ रहिएगा. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. खुदा हाफिज़.